weather and the cooler weather, and we're down to 60 in Cape Coral, Punta Gorda, Arcadia, mid-60s across Collier County. So we don't have quite as low of a temperature compared to this time yesterday, but it's close. We definitely have the breeze. I always get this question around this time of year: when does it typically start to get chilly? And by chilly in Southwest Florida standards, it always means something different than if you're, I don't know, from Boston or Chicago. And as we look at when does it typically cool down, the average first day below 60 is October 28th. And so we're kind of right on schedule here. We actually had a few of us get down below 60 degrees yesterday morning. When do we typically see our first morning below 55 degrees? That usually doesn't happen until that first week of November, around November 8th. And if you want to go even chillier, below 50, that was really fast. Let me go back to that just so I can kind of show you that date. But below 50 degrees here in Southwest Florida, you usually have to wait until closer to Thanksgiving. Usually we say around November 23rd. As we get into the 40s. So we still have a little ways to go, but look at that breeze. Yeah, you can see the American flag waving in the wind there as we look across Central Fort Myers and Winkler Avenue, and we'll see those gusts getting up to around 25 to 30 miles per hour. Today and Saturday will be the windiest days of the week. It doesn't look too bad out there right now, up to around 10 to 11 miles per hour. And as we track your temperatures and sky conditions hour by hour through your finally Friday, we'll stay in the 60s through 9 a.m. By 11 o'clock and approaching the lunch hour, mid to upper 70s. It's going to feel nice here by 1 o'clock, 79 degrees, 82 by 3 o'clock, with a few more clouds building in, but none of those clouds expected to produce much in the way of rain. I do have one stray shower chance in the forecast, and I'll show you where that's going to be coming up in just a moment as we look at your future cast. But for your Friday, cool and breezy to start the day, a warm afternoon. We talked about the breezes and 82 degrees for your high temperature with sustained winds out of the northeast close to 15. But if you're wondering sort of when is going to be the windiest part of the day, that's going to be for the second half of the day this afternoon between 1 o'clock and 3 o'clock. Winds gusting close to 30 miles per hour. It's going to be a little bit windier as you go inland just because of the wind direction. So Clewiston, around Palmdale, Lakeport, that breeze coming in out of the northeast, you're going to get some of those higher gusts, but still pretty gusty and blustery closer to the coast. Cape Coral, Gateway, Punta Gorda, lower 80s. About where we ended up yesterday with temperatures several degrees below the average and just a slight uptick in humidity. Here's that future cast, and with that northeasterly wind, that's going to keep some dry air flowing into Southwest Florida. You can see a few of those clouds building in this afternoon, and there's your stray shower chance, maybe along the East Trail, far southern sections of Collier County. But overall, rain chances 10% today. So looking good here for your Friday night. If you have any plans, I know we have Oktoberfest in Cape Coral off Pine Island Road. Starts this weekend or continues. And as we look at the rain potential for the next 3 days through the weekend, not a whole lot in terms of rainfall. That's good. We probably need the rake. Very breezy tonight and mainly dry. Not quite as cool. We're headed down into the lower 70s. And we're going to spend most of the next several nights in the upper 60s to lower 70s. And that windy to breezy weather will continue through the weekend. So if you were thinking about maybe some beach plans, taking the boat out, we've got a small craft advisory that goes all the way through early next week, unfortunately, but still pretty along the beach, just very breezy. And then temperatures through next week start to warm up into the upper 80s, but we stay below 90 degrees even as that warm up continues. Coming up in your first alert forecast in the next half hour, actually have the first winter weather outlook for Southwest Florida. That's ahead in the next half hour, coming up at 5:45.
NBC2